This is for the CC Strummers. We're doing the song One More Uke. It is a parody on the Christmas song All I Want for Christmas Are My Two Front Teeth. And I wrote the parody version back in 2017. We're in the key of G. Here's our tempo. Nice little shuffle. A 1, 2, 3, 4. All I want for Christmas is a one more uke, a one more uke, a one more uke. Oh, please, Santa, Santa, bring me one more uke, and I'll play a song for you. My life is good, I got my friends, I don't need more stuff. But in the ukulele world, one just ain't enough. All I want for Christmas is a one more uke, a one more uke, a one more uke. Please, Santa, Santa, bring me one more uke, and I'll play a song for you. I got big ones, small ones, I hang on the wall ones, ukuleles galore. And I love to strum each one, but I still want more, more, more. All I want for Christmas is a one more uke, a one more uke, a one more uke. Oh, please, Santa, Santa, bring me one more uke, and I'll play a song for you. La 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 la, and I'll play a song for you. All this multiplying, I'd explain it if I could, but in this crazy world we live, they make me feel so good. So all I want for Christmas is one more uke, a one more uke, a one more uke. Oh, please, Santa, Santa, bring me one more uke, and I'll play a song for you. One more. We have a little E minor progression. It sounds like this. And it happens on the bridges. Let me show you where it happens. We have life is good, I got my friends, I don't need more stuff. But in the ukulele world, one just ain't enough. Now you can just play that E minor for 2 measures. That's absolutely fine. And in our class today, several of you found different versions of this E minor progression, the fingering. And let me just show you what works for me. And you can take that and make it your own. We're starting off with the E minor chord. We want to remember that the note that is moving, we're doing a bass line. That moving note is on the C string, but we're attaching a chord form to it. We start with the E minor. We need to move this note over here. And the way that I do that is like this. And then I turn to a G form. And then I move my index finger to the 1st fret. Now let's try that together. E minor. I'm switching up the order here of my middle and ring finger. Making a G. And then taking my index finger and moving it to the 1st fret. There are other ways to do this, as many of you discovered. So make this your own, noodle around, and find something that works for you. Let's just finish up by doing, I was calling it the bridge, but in my arrangement I call it a verse. And we're going to do it really slowly, so we'll put this progression into the context of this part of the song. 2, 3, 4. Life is good. I got my friends. I don't need more stuff. Now here it comes. But in the ukulele world, one just ain't enough. This chord progression, we're going from an E minor to an E minor major 7 to an E minor 7 to E minor 6, something like that. The bass line is moving, that's all that I know. But this is very transferable to other songs, especially songs that are probably going to be in the key of G, where you have an E minor for 2 measures. It's a lot easier to handle this when we have more time. So 2 measures is a real working proposition there. Let's just do that verse one more time. 2, 3, 4. Life is good. I got my friends. I don't need more stuff. Here it comes. But in the ukulele world, one just ain't enough. One sure ain't enough. Have fun with this song, and thank you.